We're making a fried shallot sauce for chicken rice. First, in another bowl, add in oyster sauce, about 2 tablespoons, for about 1.1 kilo of shallots. Then we'll add dark soy sauce, about the same amount as well. And next, we would add light soy sauce. For this one, we would need a bit more, maybe double the amount of what you have added for the dark soy sauce, and about 2 spoons of sugar. So the next step is to actually fry up the shallots. It takes quite a long time, and you have to keep stirring it in order to prevent it from burning. So when you see that it is almost done but not completely 100% done, you have to scoop it out and drain off some of the oil. At this step, remember to turn off the heat. Add the fried shallots to the soy sauce mixture that you have made earlier. This is about 1.1 to 1.2 kilos of shallots that have been minced. This is a great sauce to make for chicken rice or even to toss with noodles. Try to scoop up as much as you can. Next, you have to use a spoon to mix the fried shallots and the sauce. Now at this point, you can do a taste test if it needs a little bit more seasoning like soy sauce or sugar. You could also add in some coriander stems if you are making a slightly smaller portion. But if you are making a big portion, you can do without the coriander stems and you just add it when you want to use it.